It's September 18th, 2025, and today I may have the clearest no-brainer for Gulfront real estate that I've seen in a very, very long time. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today, I'm going to introduce you to 8311 Surf Drive on the east end of Panama City Beach. It's a 7-bedroom, 7.5-bath Gulfront home, great for vacationers, great for relaxing and entertaining, over 4,500 square feet of living and entertaining space. But check this out. Almost the exact same floor plan in an inferior location is currently pending for 10% more than the asking price of this house. Let's take a look around. There you have it, 8311 Surf Drive, Panama City Beach, incredible Gulfront house. It's a great time to buy in Panama City Beach. The Fed lowered the interest rate yesterday. Tootsie's is under construction just down the Gulf. The brand new hospital is well underway. Top Golf's open. Dolly Parton's Pirate Show Dinner Theater is open. If you want more information on this house or want to see inside, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. Thanks for watching.